It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Pick up your line. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Bit stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. So why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door.
What's going on, beautiful beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you today with something new. Like new. They just put this out new. These are Hipsta Locs and they're from Freetress. What makes these locks so dope is that it kind of takes the pressure away when it comes to knots. Like for those people who really do not like the knots when you're doing like individuals, or even when you're not doing individuals and you can still see the knots, these locks make it so you can hide the knots without having to buy extra hair. It already comes with that little piece. It's like this long of like kinky, you know, Afro kinky textured hair that you wrap around the base of the lock, and it makes it look seamless, you guys. It makes it look so nice. So for those of you who are, ooh, yeah. For those of you who hate knots but like the individual look, you know, there are options now. I used 1B and I think this is T30. Yeah, I used 1B and T30. I just did like a half and half sort of look. You know, I like to spice it up sometimes. So I did one side 1B, the other side is the T30. I'm loving the results. I am loving the results. I'm feeling good. Yes, I'm quarantined in the house and I'm not going anywhere, but I wasn't going anywhere before the quarantine. You can either do a head full of individuals if you want and just use the wrap base. You can cut that piece off if you don't want it. Like what I did was, I know I'm not doing individuals, so I did the illusion individual braid pattern, so it looks like I have individuals. Okay, that's the purpose of this braid pattern, as you can see. Nice, right? Nice, right? Yeah. And I have several videos of different illusion individual braid patterns for different purposes. Like I knew I wanted to have a strong middle part because of what I was doing, half black, half like the candy brown. So I knew I needed a middle part for sure, but I also have a couple options in here if I'm feeling side-ish. Bam, I have that right there. I have that. And I have another on this side if I'm feeling side-ish. You feel me? If I'm feeling a little side-ish. Okay? But for the most part, I'm going to be rocking this in the middle part because of the style that I chose. So, yeah. I'm so feeling this. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. These are 18 inches. They're very light. They're very light. I used 6 packs. That's from my domology, so you know, you adjust accordingly. It has the loop. Okay, so that loop is there, but the loop is really small. So when you pull the end through, you're gonna use the latch hook to pull the end through that loop. Okay, and I like to kind of loosen this up and get it kind of dishevel it a little bit, and then start to wrap it around smoothly. Start to wrap it around that lock. Okay, smoothly like this, like so. And then the ends, because of the type of hair it is, it just locks onto itself. Okay, so it, you know, obviously I'm using my finger, so it's bigger than this lock, but that's what it will be. It will just continue into the lock and it will look so seamless coming out of your skull. Well, not out of your skull, I guess. Out of your scalp. We'll go with scalp. This is brand spanking new. And I got it for you, honey. Big shout out to Freetress for sending me these. I've had these for a few months now and I couldn't use them because they're not, you know, they weren't out yet. So I have been sitting on these locks waiting for the opportunity to bring them to you, and here we are today. Yeah. I love this. I love this whole entire look. Options. on options on options. And you guys, the process was really easy. It wasn't hard. It wasn't like, you know, super time consuming. What I did in the back, I just cut that extra piece, like the Marley hair, I cut that off and just did a regular install in the back. Up here where I have my individual illusions, that's when I use the wrap and lock technique up here, because that's the part that I really want to be seamless. The rest of it, I mean, I care, but how much? How much? The back of my head does not judge me, you see. It really doesn't. It doesn't judge me. It doesn't make me feel like I have to be perfect and flawless. The front of my head is ignorant. It judges. It has to be right up here, all up and through here, because it judges. It really does. The back lets me be a little bit more loose. The front is like, nah, sis, because I'm really gonna talk about you. I'm going to talk about you if you do that. You already know. So why would you even? That's the difference between the front and the back. So the back, I just did regular install. One finger width apart throughout the entire style, and then, you know, you just do your boxes. And let me tell you something about this braid pattern, honey. Let me tell you something about this braid pattern, honey. You know, I still get the individual look when I'm doing the individuals. Get into it. Get into it is what I'm saying to you. Because my husband is cleaning out the garage today and I just keep hearing things. Okay. Yeah, honey. Yeah. I am feeling it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But honey, yes. I've had to hold this for a while, so I'm glad to let it out. Let you guys see what I'm working with. Working with. Makes it look seamless, guys. That's what we want in this game. We want it to look as natural as possible. Now, we know nothing is going to compare to natural growing out of your scalp locks. We know that. We know that. The lock community, y'all don't need to be mad with us no more. On behalf of the crochet community, we know that no lock compares to the one that's growing out of your skin. We know that. Y'all got that. But for those of us who just adore and admire y'all's lovely locks, but we don't want to lock it up just yet, we need some options too. That's all I'm saying. Don't be mad with us, because y'all be getting upset sometimes because we ain't grow it out. But you ain't got to be, don't be upset with me, because I'm telling you, I'm going to have some faux locks. It's lovely, doubly. I like these. I like them a lot, y'all. Y'all subscribe, hit that like, okay? Leave a comment, let me know that you stopped by. And I wish y'all peace, love, and light. Y'all be good. Bye.
My favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice.